Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see the transcript from YouTube videos. Now, let's open up the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. And let's say this is the video that I want to see the transcript for. Now, you probably have already noticed you can tap on that little CC here. And if you start playing it, it will automatically have those closed captions with the transcript. But let's say you wanted to follow along with the entire transcript. You can easily do that, but it is buried a little bit. You can see at Saturday Night Live, 4.3 million views, and to the right of that, it says more. So let's tap on that little more button here. And now you can see the description and the title, etc. All we need to do from here is to scroll down. And if there is a transcript, it will say transcript. Just tap on show transcript. Now, if you hit play, it will automatically go through the process of showing the transcript in real time, or you can just skip down and tap on a moment if you want to skip to that specific moment within the transcript. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.